नहीं मारा, मेरे को मुंह पे गालियां भी पड़ी हैं, मेरे को सब कुछ हुआ है मेरे साथ, एंड आई फील दैट्स रिक्वायर्ड, एंड दैट्स द रीजन मे बी आई हैव गॉटन the success that I have, maybe small 1% of it, right? So I want to add as much value in your lives as much as possible. So I don't believe in sugarcoating. So that's why I'm direct. So first, again, mindset. Second one is surrounding myself with people. I've always been in rooms that are always bigger than me. I've always stayed with people who are way beyond my circle. People who are way beyond in life than what I have achieved in life. I always try to make sure my proximity is exclusive, and proximity is power, baby. Please write that down. As much as it sounds like a basic line, it's a million or a $1 billion statement in itself. Proximity is power. आप किसके साथ सुबह उठ रहे हो, किसके साथ सो रहे हो, what are you doing, who are the 5 people जिनके साथ आप 80% of the time spend कर रहे हो, and believe me, भले आप कितने भी अच्छे हो, आप में कितना भी high IQ, कितना high skills है, at the end of the day you'll become like them. I've seen the most successful of people, most sharpest people do nothing because the environment was terrible. And I've seen the most dumbest, worst, and non capable people build something really big because of the environment. Second thing would be environment. Third thing would be, of course, one credit is marketing and sales changed my life. You know, when you have the ability to market and when you have the ability to sell, you have like a magic in hand. And I have the ability कि मैं एक फोन कॉल पे किसी को भी बोल सकता हूँ कि I can 10x your company overnight, and they'd pay me happily crore and a half for that, and I just say 3-4 moves and their business absolutely skyrockets. And it's not by luck. I've 6 years relentlessly every single day doing the hard things, doing whatever it takes, right? And marketing and sales has been a very phenomenal turning point. I think it's the base of everything I'm doing. Uska base है marketing and sales. And fourth one is people, right? I'm still learning it, but yeah, people are your biggest assets, right? I've learned this lesson a very hard way. Make sure you keep the best people around you. Make sure you kick out negative energies around you. And the people who are absolute best, do whatever it takes to grow with them together. So I'm saying, if you're in this program alone, don't do it. Bring 5 more people. Not in a case that just for this program, anywhere else. Like I learned this lesson from Sneh Desai, right? Like such a genius guy. Like when he grows, he makes sure everybody around him grows, right? He had this decision that we want to go and invest in a 1 crore a year program. He didn't go all alone. He took 6 of us together. Kya zarurat thi? Absolutely not. But was that happening? 6 people, all of us together in heck yeah. Per person, it's 1 crore a year. Because at the end of the day, it's the people that you grow with, right? Grow absolutely higher and higher with, right? So very simple. And अगर आपके पास वो privilege नहीं है कि आप हर रोज billionaires के साथ उठ बैठ सको, तो आपको अपने आसपास के लोगों को ही उस लेवल पे ले जाना पड़ेगा. That's the only option you have left, right? So yeah, those are the 4 key things. Hope that helps. Thank you. Hope that helps. How many guys? It helped a lot, right? If it gave you a new perspective, go ahead and give me an MB in the chats. Can we scroll down till the bottom? Give me an MB in the chats, ladies and gentlemen, if this helped you. Yes. Beautiful. So many MBs in the chats. I love that. Great. And again, if you want to be surrounded with builders, the right people, the people who would push you, challenge you, join shub.com, or you can scan this QR over here. It's a 10-week program, and it's going to be the greatest of all. This batch is going to be next level. So yeah. Should I get all the bonuses with token booking? No. So you get the bonuses once your full payment is done, but your seat is reserved, Alok, once your token is done. Can I get water, please? Yeah. Thank you. I'm a fine artist. How will I help? How will AI help me? How will AI help me make AI products to help artists like me in handmade paintings? Resh, I don't know what your name is, but Resh, you don't use AI in a painting because that's your core, but you use AI for all the other things that comes around with painting. I'll give you a great case study. इधर आपको समझ में आएगा how important being coachable is. One of my very good friends, she is also a great, fantastic artist, one of the best I've ever seen. And she asked me, like, Shubh, how do I sell my paintings? I said, position yourself as the most expensive in the market. Position yourself that you are the art. And she has given paintings to millionaires and billionaires. Huh? So I said, position yourself as the artist of billionaires, right? The art that billionaires would love to keep at their home, and don't price charge that much, but have a good price to it, right? Not too much, not too less, not medium. अगर आप बीच में फंस गए हो, you either be cheap or you be expensive. So she was expensive, and she started doing content every single day, but content the right way, the right direction, studying patterns, and she exploded, right? So same thing goes for you also. Resh, is go ahead and make sure you use AI for all the other things, but not your core, because of course painting, sculptures, usme you can't use AI, and you shouldn't. That's your core. So yeah, and I feel, by the way, इन चीजों की value और ज़्यादा बढ़ने वाली है, because now AI has made it too easy for anybody to have a real, like a painting at their house. So having a real gorgeous art developed and built is going to be a rare thing, and it's going to be one thing that everybody wants to be a part of. I love it. Where's the link? How can I be a part of it? इतना बड़ा यहाँ पे QR कोड है, कृपया स्कैन कीजिए. यहाँ पे लिंक इतनी देर से है. You can go to that link always. All right. Can you come down? You can stop the music. Yeah, thank you. Right. After paying the token, do we still get the bonus? Yes, your bonuses are logged, Somitra, but you get access to the bonuses once your full payment is done. All right. Guys, happy to answer some more questions from the general room as well. So folks over here, if you guys have any questions, what's the refund policy? No refund policy. All sales are final, and we don't do refunds. So again, come at your own idea. Again, you have enough time, enough all these things, knowledge to take a decision. And once you take a decision, don't back out. So no refunds. All sales are final. Okay. How can we help manufacturing companies with AI consulting? By becoming great at AI. And once you become great at AI, find the pain points and problems that people are facing in manufacturing, and build AI tools, systems, and SOPs around that, and give it to them and sell it to them. Very simple. Selling to manufacturers is the easiest pitch in the world. I'm an architect. Will AI help me? Oh my God. I have so many people who are architects using AI and creating disruption, right? Like एक पूरा architecture बनाने में it takes a lot of time plus a lot of money. What if you can do that for ridiculously cheap and have AI build your designs? Absolutely $1 million idea. Okay. What's the time frame to complete the full payment? You have a week. Okay, guys, so many questions. We still have thousands of people on. Can you guys believe, by the way? I guess having a lot of fun in the Q&A, by the way. Yes? Beautiful. I paid for the token. Can I get your Claude skills? Yes, if you're done with the full payment, you will get it. And all the details will be given to you, informed to you in the orientation session, right? Uska date, sab kuch bhi aapko inform kara jayega. Don't worry, you're on safe hands. All good. If you have any questions, email at support@launchatscale.com. यार 3 बार ना लिंक्स पूछ चुके हैं, so I don't know, people can scan it, but if team, can you just also put together the links once again in the chats for people? मेरा कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं है तो उससे कैसे करेंगे, क्या बेचेंगे? Again, my question to you is, what are you really good at? And जिस चीज में भी आप बहुत अच्छे हो, उसके अराउंड आप प्रोडक्ट बना सकते हो, and उसके अराउंड you can do something, build something and sell something, right? So yeah. Perfect. People already enrolling. Okay, that's my team's message. Okay, there you go. For all the people asking links, despite इतना बड़ा यहाँ पे है, the links are already there in your chats. Why is it named as unfair advantage? What a question! Why is the offer named as the unfair advantage? Well, for a simple reason, because we give you the unfair advantage. We give you the unfair advantage that nobody else has, right? Hence, That's the reason. And unfair में AI is in caps. अगर आपने ध्यान से नोटिस करा होगा तो. So even if in the logo अगर आप देखेंगे, unfair में AI caps में है. So I got this cool thing of unfair advantage. So I'm giving you the unfair advantage. But I guess, guys, how many guys are excited and all ready for day number 2? Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys, go ahead and give me excited in the chats. Fadafat jaake. Write down excited in the chats if you're super excited, super duper thrilled to be a part of day number 2. Tomorrow, let me tell you, it's going to be action-based implementation, 0 to 100K secrets. How many guys want to get to 100,000 followers as fast as possible? Yes, wave your hands at me, say yes. All right. Okay. What I want you to do right now is set an alarm tomorrow at 7:45 p.m. 8 p.m. we'll start sharp. Okay. What time, everybody? Can I quickly get 8 in the chats? What time? Can I quickly get everybody typing down 8 p.m. in the chats? Everybody, go ahead and type down 8 p.m. in the chats. Let's go. 8 p.m. in the chats. Beautiful. And one more thing. I want all of you guys set an alarm 7:45 p.m. sharp and make sure you commit to show up. How many guys are committed? Write the word commit in the chats. Let me see you. Go all in. Type it out. Spam the chats. Write down the word commit in the chats. Yaar, ye Ojas is just spamming the question if you want to kick him out of the room. Yeah, thank you. Guys, go ahead and write the word commit and committed in the chats. If you're ready to go all in, day 2 tomorrow, your minds are going to be blown away at a different level altogether. I see commit, 8 p.m. sharp. I love that. With that being said, thank you so much, everybody. We've been going from 10 a.m. in the morning. It's almost what time now? 6:15. Almost 8 hours. So give yourself a big round of applause. Right? Everybody stand up, shake your bodies. If we can we set the cameras again? Yes. Everybody stand up, turn your cameras on, VIPs. Let's close with a bang. There you go. Let's get the cameras up. All right. I love that. VIPs, get your cameras on. Let's close day 1 on a high energy. Take a screenshot. Tag me on Instagram. We have 2 different accounts. One is Shubh Jain and second one is Launch at Scale. But yeah, shake your bodies out. Shake your bodies out. It's been full day, 8 hours non-stop. And I hope you had a lot of fun. And this was end of day number 1. Share your takeaways on Instagram. Happy to give giveaways and cash prizes tomorrow first thing when we get started. So let's go. Shake your bodies out. Shake your bodies out. Right? Yo, I love that. And give me some high fives. Give me some high fives. Virtual high fives. Yay. I love that. I love that. Love that. Love that. Thank you so much for being a part of the magnificent event. Day number 1. Day number 2 is going to be off the charts. So one of the greatest speakers of all time. See you tomorrow. Day number 2, ladies and gentlemen. Take care. Take care. If you want to be a part of Unfair Advantage, here it is. Take care. I will have this on the screen for some time. And thank you so much, everybody. See you all very, very soon. Have fun. See you all very, very soon on day number 2. Take care. Bye, everybody.
make me a sinner. From the coast to the plains, everybody know the name. Coming from, we got bills to maintain. Bitch, you got an ego, shut up, fuck with me though. I make all that money like I'm running a casino. G-code, know I got that power in my genome. Cut the bluff, can you stand up, what's between those?
I put pen to the paper like they were crossing on each other. I make a deputy bed to me, I make a couple brother. Craziest turning laziest problem to a product. Hustler probably profit cause I was profitable. Profit words of mother, two hands on their neck like I was turning butter. So I'd hit it if I go to sleep, I probably burn the covers. If the covers burn, I gotta turn the mattress. Token the first pick you all did a pick like a worded caption.
तेरे बादल जुल्फा यार दिया तेरे तारे आँखां प्यार दिया चल तेरा रंग महबूब दा है गल्ला जन्नत मार दिया
तेरे बादल जुल्फा यार दिया तेरे तारे आँखां प्यार दिया चल तेरा रंग महबूब दा है गल्ला जन्नत मार दिया समी वालों को समझ नहीं आनी समी वालों को समझ नहीं आनी मेरी हीर आसमानी मेरी हीर आसमानी लिखी हवा में इश्क कहानी और लिखी हवा में इश्क कहानी मेरी हीर आसमानी मेरी हीर आसमानी 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 तकदीरों से भी पहले ये बात लिखी होगी
अपने मेरी बात
तेरे ही साथ लिखी होगी तकदीरों से भी पहले ये बात लिखी होगी अपने मेरी बात तेरे ही साथ लिखी होगी ये भी तय है कि जिस दिन बिछड़ेंगे और ये भी तय है कि जिस दिन बिछड़ेंगे तो पहले ना हुई ऐसी बर्बाद लिखी होगी
धड़कन रंगारे धड़कन रंगारे तन मन गंगारे जिंदा बंदा हो तन मन गंगारे जिंदा बंदा हो अरे बचने से धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क झटपट झूमर घूमर जागर बाजे धड़क धड़क धड़ी झटक पटक पटक छड़ी तेरा करे धुआं चले जोना साथे जोना नाचे अब न रुकना चलने दे
Dance with me now, I can't break away. आजी साजी फिक्रे तू shake away, shake away. दिल थिरकता डांस वाले groove पे. नाचूं मैं तू step मेरा make away, make away. नाचूं मैं ऐसे उड़ती पतंग जैसे झूमे हवाओं के संग. ना मुझको रोको, ना मुझको टोको, मैं हूँ मस्ती में मस्त मलंग. यति पटलना तोती पट पाला मचा मला सुत पट वरा पाल तन पट मना बला तक तन वरा पिला कुछ पट ने रखना पटने ये पतिया मुचा पटांग पटांग मला रंगमा ए वस्ता भैया आया हो राम भैया ए वस्ता भैया हो राम भैया ए वस्ता भैया आया हो राम भैया ए वस्ता भैया हो
दिल थाम के बैठ गया क्या बात के सामने आ रही है जबरदस्त गाना लेके टी सीरीज की धूम मचाने वाली सीडी डांडिया 2030 लुंगी डांस लुंगी डांस रंबा
ईलू ईलू करके आज नाचेंगे हम
क्योंकि तुम ही हो अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो
Virtual DJ. आंसू तो तेरे और आंखें वो हमारी, तेरे दर्द हमें जो मिले प्यार में, तेरे दर्द हमें जो मिले प्यार में, हम खुशी से यूं भर जाएंगे, हम मर जाएंगे, हो हम मर जाएंगे।